All right, everyone, here's Luke Zion's jewelry. I cut it earlier. All right, hey, whoa. Luke, look at it, look at it, look at it. All right, I like the box. The box is very neat. Luke is very good at contacting people. Luke sent quite a few emails. Didn't even see all of them, but I saw a couple of them. Here we go, look at the packaging. We got some, I don't know what this is, but it looks very unique. And here we go. Got a 7-inch 3mm bracelet. This is going to be a gift, actually. So you got the stamp there. And I'll show you a wrist picture shortly after this. Close up. And now notice that this is silver here. Okay, let's see what we got here. Whoa, the camera focus. And we are on the wrong side. Nope, hold on. Move that thumb out the way. Yeah. Let me see if that is even the right side on my end. And it should be, here we go. Let's bring it back. Got some food in the microwave and that shit is beeping. Right, yep. Let's see what we got over here. Let me see if it's better if I don't hold it. Sorry. Everyone. Oh yeah. We are litty in the city. All right, this is gonna be a gift. This is a gift from my mother, but you know, I just want to try it out. Also, take a quick video. Might get one myself, definitely in 9 inches or 8 inches, I'm not sure. But gonna get my wrist measured. But yeah, this is Luke. I mean, you know, this is high quality. Shout out to Luke Zion. He's been pretty good. He's got the LZ J. Here we go. Luke Zion jewelry. Class act, one of my favorite jewelers so far. This was recommended by Cubana No. Been following him for a little bit. He's got some pretty good content. This is probably not the best thing to put on. I should probably put it on black, but you know, this is what I got here today. A little bit of rush going to an event soon, so virtual event, but you know, an event still. All right, well, let me make sure you can see that you got some diamond cuts in there, and it looks like it gets a lot of shine, so all right.